Hey Pixies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kia, your favorite, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you all how I achieve this very cute, sleek, summer, workout-friendly hairstyle. It was inspired by Yara Sahiti's Cartier ad. If y'all know, I steal a lot of hairstyles from her. I feel like we kind of have a similar look, style, so I really enjoy her looks and recreating them. I've also had this in for a week now. I actually did this last Wednesday and today is Friday. So as you can see, the ponytail is still looking good and sleek. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so first things first, I start with blow drying each section of my hair, and then I braid it up and put it out of the way. So that's what I'm going to do, just taking my paddle brush and making sure the hair is detangled. And then I pretty much use the tension method, making sure I stretch my roots out. The sleek part, the mold, is the most important part of this style to achieve a nice, sleek, and neat look. So I take my time on this, but yeah, my hair has been washed, deep conditioned, and blow dried, and so that is the start and the basis of this style. Once I have all my hair blow dried, I go ahead and take all of the braids down, and then I blow dry my hair all to the back. I want to make sure there's no lumps and bumps, no tangles, and that my hair is all going in the back direction that I want the ponytail to lay in. So I just make sure I blow dry my hair all together so that I'm going to get the best results out of my slick down and my mold. So that's what you see me doing here. Now I go ahead and part my hair. You can do this style however you want. You can do a side part, a middle part. Last time I had this in, I kind of did a little side swoop part. You can do no part, but another one of my favorite parts is just like slightly off center from the middle of my head. So that's what I'm doing this time. And then I take my hair and I part the top from the back. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just about half of my hair, and then I secure the top half in a ponytail and start the mold down process for the back. So first thing I'm doing is gathering my hair into a ponytail, filling it, and make sure it's smooth enough in case I wanted to separate more hair from the top and the back. And now what you see me doing is just going over my roots with the flat iron. Now you can totally skip this part and make it be a heatless style. The reason why I like to bump my roots with the flat iron is because it just makes it more flat, more sleek. I'm also a scalp sweater, so in my sleep, like sometimes my edges sweat. When I'm exercising, I like to take walks, and it's always like 90 something degrees here in Houston. So the mold that I'm going to show you is really good and it lasts. However, just making it straight, once my hair sweats out, it gets a little curly and it gets cuter as it goes along, but it's not like puffy looking or sweated out. So as you can see, the roots are sleek, but I don't go all the way to the ends because there's no need, and I just leave that part blow dried, but I just slick down my roots. And now I'm going through with my paddle brush and combing just to make sure everything is flat and it feels right. Now I'm going to go in with my bristle brush and I'm going to smooth everything out. So as you can see how I separated the top and the back, I like to separate my edges with it so that my edges mold down in this first back section, but you can do it how you want to. I take this Edge Fix Booster Gel from Kiss, and now you see me just putting that all over the perimeter of my hair where it's parted. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my rat tail comb and smooth it down and make sure there's no lumps and no bumps. So this is the beginning of that mold process with the products. You want to make sure you swoop it, tuck it behind your ears, make sure that everything is all together and it's moving in one direction. I don't quite quite put it in the ponytail yet, but I start to smooth it in that direction. If I need more product, I add it, and then I continue that process of smoothing it out with the rat tail comb. Now, as you can see, I'm taking the Got2b spray and I am spraying that all over the base of the ponytail. I spray a lot of spray, very generous with it, because this is how you're going to get it to stay, get that mold. Again, I comb it through to the roots so it's molded properly, and then I gather all the hair in the back and I use my blow dryer on a medium setting to just kind of set that product in, make it kind of hard. It's going to be hard at the end, but as the weeks go on, it loosens up a little bit. You can always touch it up by just adding more gel and Got2b. And so I get it into this ponytail like this. I do the same thing on the top, just the whole molding process, but it's best to do it in sections so it can be nice and sleek. That's the trick. Then I go ahead and braid the ponytail. However long your braid is, that's going to be the end point of the ponytail. So I just tucked mine so it could be a little bit shorter. Last week I didn't tuck it, so it was like a little bit longer. So you can play around with the length as you please. Once the braid's all in, I go ahead and spray the top of my head more with Got2b and mold it down with my blow dryer. This is a clip from a video I did a couple years ago, just showing you how I attach the hair to the ponytail. It's very easy. You just take the pins and stick them lengthwise into the braid, and then wrap the hair around 3 or 4 times, and every 3 or 4 wraps you just want to go ahead and pin it. It's a really good, easy method. It's not going to go anywhere. It always stays. It lasts for 2 weeks. So this is how I attach the hair. The hair that I'm using is the curly hair from Kendras Boutique. I'll have it linked. As y'all know, I love Kendras Boutique hair. I swear by it. I keep it for years and years and years. This hair is minimal tangles, minimal shedding, so it works really well for me. And the last part is you want to take some hair and wrap it around the band part of your ponytail. So I just take it, brush it out, spray some Got2b, and then the first wrap I like to go underneath so that the first smoothest part at the top is going to wrap over the top, so I get a nice seamless finish. So that's what you see me doing here. In this video, I actually didn't straighten my roots and it still looks pretty nice. I just blow dried my hair and slicked it all back. So again, whatever you want to do to your liking, whatever look you're going for, feel free to modify this hairstyle as it fits you. So yeah, babes, that's the hairstyle. Very easy to achieve, low maintenance, and it lasts a long time. So I really love this hairstyle. It's great for anyone. It looks very natural and sleek. I get so many compliments on this. Everybody thinks that this is my hair, and I mean, it practically is. And it's a good protective style, so you really can't go wrong. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Is this something that you want to try? Subscribe to my channel, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.